YouTubers, if you're out there and you want to learn how to trade, I'm the guy. I'm the guy. I'm the guy that does it for free until you make money. And guess what? You would have made money today, so today would have been free for you anymore. See, that's the catch, friends. I guarantee you, I'll give you my chat room for free until I give you a winning trade. Won't take long. So, but you can at least spend 2 or 3 weeks with me for nothing, and you could start tonight. We're getting together tonight to talk about the rest of the earnings that are coming out. But more importantly, I gave you a small stock. I don't own many stocks, but when I do, they're named Captain. And we've been singing songs about this because stocks that come out and that are new issues, if they don't immediately go to zero like most of them and they break 250, they generally go to 5. 5 gets you 750. It's one of the rules that have been working since I became a trader, since I was an investor. And I called the company and they actually got back to me. We're going to have a little bit more of a discussion. Hopefully they could come on the schmooze, talk a little bit about, what the company does. But again, I'm really not that interested. Okay. I like Rambus, but this Captain stock specifically because it was breaking highs and specifically because when a pump gets dumped and then it doesn't roll over, that leads to my bewilderment. And then I take the stock under advisement like CCTG. See what's going on here? That is a pump and dump. CCTG. It just got pumped a little bit extra. So CCTG, and by the way, if you don't know what CCTG is, I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna go tell you something. This is super duper company. They make extension cords in China, and they come in red, blue, and white. I think they have black, but I'm not sure if they've gone there yet. They make extensions cords in red, blue, and white. Stock was $2, and we had some fun with it. That first day, no, sorry, that was the $5 one. $5, and $5 got you 750. Stock started trading like a pump and dump, and I was like, you know what? I don't want this. You know where it went yesterday? You know what? In the last couple of days, $30. You know where it is right now? $4. You know where it'll be in 2 weeks? 0. So the reason I want to make this video, if you guys own Captain, sell. Okay, sell some of it. If you're in from 350 and you bought it at 395 when I was posting it, and $4 and $4.20 and $5. The most I spent was 5. When it broke 5, I wanted to buy some more, and we went to 7 today. So I sold 674, 650, and I'm still in. But now, if it goes to 0, I'm still making money. I don't want it to go to 0, obviously, but if I wake up tomorrow and it's at 0, I've sold half. Now the rest could go to 0, and I'd break even. That's how you trade. That's how you stay in a stock. That's the Chicago way. But more importantly, today was a really great day. If you were with us live, right? I can't hire the strippers yet. When I get back from Vegas, I'll get some strippers. But if you're trading with us live, today was a really eye-opening experience. I lost on every trade, and then I made on every trade. So even though, again, traded Qualcomm, first trade was a loss. Second one was a win. Third one was a loss. Fourth one was a win. Bang. Traded Wolf. First one was a loss. Second one was a win. Third one was a win. Traded the Qs. Short, won, lost. In every trade that I did today, there was at least one loss. But at the end of the day, you're an active trader. That's what you have to deal with. And I like losing money in a way because that shows me, hey, I did something wrong right here. If it breaks back over there, maybe I'll give it another shot. And that's what separates good traders from bad traders. The willingness to say, hey, Kay, I made a mistake here. Wasn't ready to do what I thought it was going to do. Let me take this small loss, find out, keep an eye on it. Next thing you know, it sets up again. You get back involved. But more importantly, Captain, don't blow it. All right. We're in the stock from, under 350. So if you're not selling some at 6, it's a stock that's up 100%. Now, I think it's going higher. I do like what they do. If you want to do your own due diligence in the company, I'll tell you something. This market fooled me 100% today. Absolutely. When UVXY broke 8, we were short the Qs. We were going to the lows of the day. And when we hit the lows of the day, there was no way in hell I didn't think we were going lower. There was zero reason to think we weren't about to break the low of the day. And tank down to 415 was what I thought the Qs were doing. But because I'm a disciplined, algorithmic trader. I had stops at 418.52 and 418.67. And that's where we covered. Because I got to tell you, when the Qs broke 418, I'm counting my money. I'm thinking 415 easy. Now they're at 422. And that's the thing about chat rooms. Imagine you came into the chat room and you heard, all right, Kenny's short the Qs. All right, let's go short the Qs. Let's buy some puts. That's not how you trade. You certainly don't want to take the idea without knowing what you're doing. Because not only are we not short the Qs anymore, we went long. Because if the shorts are going to cover and the market, again, refuses to go down, you got to join in. One of these days, the sell-off will actually last for more than a day and a half. Well, sorry, that didn't even last a day. That was, basically less than a couple hours, really. It rolled over. And, it's funny about Josh Brown, and I pick on him a lot because he can't pick a stock to save his life. And every time he mentions a stock, you should short it. And again, but he is a good, smart guy, and I love him. What he said yesterday was them not cutting interest rates is bullish. They're finally saying, hey, we don't got to keep coming to the rescue of the market. Everything's all right. That's bullish. Oh, they're not cutting interest rates. Fuck that. We don't need interest rates to be cut ever. We can function as a society at 5%. The market's doing fine. Our house values are doing fine. And you're getting paid in your cash accounts sitting there in money markets. This is the trifecta of awesomeness. Let's coast here and see how long we can coast here. You don't got to do anything. So anyway, this is awesome. And if you came in today and you said, all right, I'm going to just go right back to trading earnings reversals, you crushed it. I mean, absolutely crushed it. I mean, Philip Morris, take a look at MO, right? Mo. In that little dollar range, if you trade VWAP and price, you made money on the way up, on the way down, and on the way back up again, all in one day. Same thing with the Qs. It is just the greatest trading environment ever. So let me talk to you about something. My friends, if I know some of the guys, you're looking to join the room, I haven't got back to you. I'll get back to you before I leave to Vegas next week. But just email me tonight. Start hanging out. I don't know what's going to go on while I'm gone. I know Solid, my buddy, he usually comes on for an hour or two a day. The room might be a little quiet while I'm away, but that's all right. Most of us know what we're doing, okay? And, but stop in today. Let's see what these earnings are all about. Tomorrow should be another monstrous day. So, if the market's ever going to go down, it's probably going to attempt to do it tomorrow. I've been cashing out of most of my stocks. I got out of Rambus options. I got out of the Path stock. I'm only in the options. Carvana is about to expire. So mostly I'm right back to cash again. I love it. So good luck. If you're struggling out there, like I said, there's nobody on earth that could teach you how to trade better than I can. There's no doubt. It's not a pick service. This ain't Glix Picks. Glix Picks is coming. I got an app coming out in a couple of months. We'll have it. You will get the picks beamed right to this app. You'll know exactly what we're doing intraday. And that's how I want to do picks. Because once you hold something overnight, then you're guessing. And if anybody tells you any otherwise, they're lying to you. So I got an app coming out, some other cool stuff, and hopefully you'll be a part of it. So good luck. Hopefully I'll see you soon. See you.